Zika alerts!
Hello there! Thanks for joining us for School Zone. In the zone today, we share with the winners of the recently held Ministry of Health, Public Education and Awareness Jingle and Selfie competition. Have a look.
Zika alert! Prevent the mosquito breeding sign. Zika alert! No matter mosquito bites here, we're gonna check inside and check outside and find every place where you could hide.
You know, as part of our Zika public awareness campaign, schools, of course, are part of our population that we seek to reach. And so we were thinking of an engaging way, a way to engage the students and at the same time be very creative and fun.
So, in today's show, we visit all the teams that excelled in the recently held competitions. First up, third place jingle creators, Ferncourt High School.
Zik-v is a virus caused and spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which can affect people, especially pregnant ladies.
They actually went and did some research so that they knew how to put in preventative measures as well as just symptoms, among other things. So the hard work has paid off.
Zik-v and me, hungry, Aedes aegypti follow back at me. Zik-v and me, hungry, Aedes aegypti follow back at me.
Them are Jamaicans so bad, you see. Atabo and a mosquito give. When we know if a airborne disease, when it's a mosquito bite, you see. I don't talk, I want you see.
Kick over pants, bore up the tins, dash for the water out of the old fridge. I eat ear fever, I eat ear rash, I eat ear pain in your back. If you know what I mean, no use up the app. Wear long clothes, no wear short, Zik-v. Zik-v.
We also visited the Immaculate Conception Preparatory School, where we visited the girls who were placed second in the competition. Hello, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
So, Rebecca, what are some of the things you learned from, creating this jingle?
Well, I've learned how to prevent Zik-v, like covering the drums, and yeah. And also, I've learned that nothing is impossible because I didn't expect for us to come this far.
I feel very proud of them.
Don't get sick, don't get sick, don't get Zik-v. I'm telling you now, all pregnant ladies, be wise, protect your babies. Zik-v is on a roll. Let's work together to keep it in control. Cover the drums, close them tight, so we can destroy all breeding sites. Use up the candle, use up the spray. Now we have to use it every day. Joint pain, headache, muscle pain too. Swelling the lower and weakness, rash too. Zik-v, we don't want Zik-v, Zik-v, we don't want Zik-v. Aedes aegypti, now we're gonna say bye.
Zika alert. Prevent the mosquito breeding site. Zika alert. No matter the mosquito bites here, we're gonna check inside and check outside and find every place where you could hide. We're gonna eradicate. We're gonna eliminate. We're gonna punch at the tire them, clean out the drain, bore up the tin them, clean out the drain, cover the drum them. Cover the drum them, scour the vase, prevent the mosquito breeding site. My name is Amoya Wong. My name is Shanika Bleachin. We are the winners of the MOH Zika Jingle and Selfie Competition 2016. I feel proud, excited, and I don't know how to explain it. It's just a joy for me and my family, friends, and my teacher.
We use the jingle also as a learning tool. We, on our PA system, morning, in the noon, even at nights.
Once the students are made more aware, then they would actually move about in a more responsible way as it relates to eliminating all the areas that we think could harbor the mosquito that caused the virus.
Zika alerts. We're gonna eradicate, we're gonna eliminate. You're watching School Zone.
As we said earlier, it was the MOH Jingle and Selfie competition, so we had to pay a visit to the picture-taking champions.
The winners, yeah, the winners.
We decided to enter them in the competition because we want the public to know that we know how to destroy mosquito breeding site. We see that as a way as well to give our school some exposure.
And the winning team leaves this message with us.
You must clean up your environment because if you don't clean it up, it's going to hurt nobody else but you.
So, talented and intelligent young people answered the call to boldly lead the way in increasing public awareness on the Zika virus. As we hear it, the Ministry of Health is looking at other avenues to keep the momentum going.
Health and family life education curriculum is one such vehicle. In terms of phase 2, what we would be looking at is how we can continue to strengthen that curriculum. We are looking at some specific projects that we can possibly do and hoping to give it a competitive edge where we can give them some prizes. So we're right now ironing out some of those things.
We're going to eradicate, we're going to eliminate. We're going to punch the tire them, clean out the drain, bore up the tin them, clean out the drain, cover the drum them, clean out the drain.